This is a short tutorial on how to use the snipping tool. As you see here, I'm in Microsoft Word and I have a simple flyer document that I'm using as an example today. Suppose I want to just snip a portion of the material. For example, maybe just the company name, street address, city, state, zip code, telephone, web address, date, and times. A very simple way I can do this is by using the snipping tool. If I come down to my start menu, for me, I have my snipping tool docked here under some of my apps and utilities. You may have to go through your list of programs and look for your snipping tool and or looking for your accessories in your list. So I'm going to click on snipping tool and I get this little bar. This is the snipping tool dialog box. I always go in rectangle mode. I'm just taking a simple snip, so I use rectangle mode. I click new and my mouse turns to a crosshair or a plus sign. I click and I drag to draw a box or a rectangle over the area that I would like to copy or take a snip of. And as you see, that dialog box then pops up and I have a copy or a snip of that area that I had selected. I can mark this up. I can use a black pen and maybe star next to the telephone number. I might be able to put my initials in this box if I was showing it to somebody so they could see, oh, that was done by Jen Dumas. So JD, okay, great. I can do other things like I can highlight information for someone to see. And then I can also go ahead and erase all of this so that it is not visible at all. Once I've made a copy, I can either save as and save that file somewhere, or I can take a copy of it and I can paste it somewhere else. For example, if I do a new Word document, I can now right-click and paste, and here is that same box that I had taken a snip of, that I had found in my previous Word document.